Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy NFL Sunday ticket and you can simply, view which are the correct prices before you buy it. For that, head over to your browser, type in buy NFL Sunday ticket. You will see it under YouTube TV as well, but scroll below and you will also see various sites offering it. For example, ivy.me is offering it, so simply tap onto the link that you see. And likewise, let's get it on this one right here. Select how to get this deal. And the point here is we will search for different sites and see if ticket prices are any cheaper than the others. So like this site, there is also called Ticketmaster. So tap onto it and you can also compare the prices. All you have to do is do some research about various sites and simply compare the prices. If your location and prices matches, you may go ahead and go on with it, but you can also compare and select the price which is the cheapest. Thank you for watching guys. We will catch up in our next upload.